What's up guys, my name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be cleaning the motor of the C6 that I just currently bought. So what we're gonna do is I have this simple green stuff. We're gonna spray it on the engine bay. Well, first we're gonna blow out all this loose stuff, like the debris that's in it. Then we're gonna spray simple green on it, maybe foam it and use a brush. I gotta find a better brush than this. This is too soft. Scrub it all and rinse it down. They just say, like when I looked up a video, just make sure you dry everything out. Use a compressor, spray all the water out, cover like the battery and the alternator. So that's what we're gonna do today. So it should be fine to get it all wet. I'm not gonna use too much pressure to get stuff off. It's gonna be just to rinse the soap off. The brush and the simple green is gonna be what gets the stuff off, and the foam, the soap. So let's get started on cleaning it up. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Nothing too crazy. Basically, I just had to use a degreaser like 3-4 times, and like I would just degrease it, scrub kinda, but it would dry really fast. I didn't use anything to shine it up. It just looks good as is. Just needed a quick little rinse off and a little whatever. But yeah, engine bay's cleaned up. Now I'm gonna go wash the thing. So next video will be washing the outside. It's absolutely disgusting. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. I did drop pre-orders for hoodies. They end February 7th. So definitely go check out a hoodie if you want a hoodie. It'll be Reckless.Raquel.com. But yeah, make sure you guys do all the things, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.